Hi everyone, so today we're going to go over the 19th Amendment timeline. So we're going to touch a little bit in the 1800s when this all first started, and then we're going to touch a little bit into the early 2000s. So this all began in 1848 when the first U.S. Women's Rights Convention was held in New York. And then we move a little further in, and we have 1916, the first female in Congress. And then a very important date. So this was when the 19th Amendment was put into the Constitution as a law and gave American women the right to vote. But still after that, there was a lot of progress to be made. So we have the Equal Rights Amendment. We have the Civil Rights Act of 1964. And President John F. Kennedy signs the Equal Pay Act into law, which protected men and women who perform equal work in the same establishment to be free from sex-based wage discrimination. And then we kind of jump into like the 80s. So you have the first vice president candidate for an American major political party, which is a big step to kind of having women in like the same place of that like equal rights. And then we come over to 2005, where we have the first African-American female U.S. Secretary of State. And then 2009 with Hillary Clinton being the U.S. Secretary of State as well. So I hope you guys learned a lot from that with the timeline and the history behind it, and I hope you have a great day.